In this video, I'll detail how to reset data on iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone and you discover that your iPhone has got a lot of data and here you want to reset it, then this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to reset data on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. Now, on the settings page, click on mobile service or cellular service depending on your iPhone or region. Now, once you click on that, scroll down. Just keep scrolling down. Here, you should see estimated mobile data usage statistics, and this is reset statistics. However, if you come to current period, you should see your period. Here, you should see all the data you've consumed on your iPhone. You see that? And that's why you see current data is about 488 gig. Point remaining is 0. Then these are all the data I have on my iPhone. Now, to reset this data on my iPhone, all I just need to do is come back to mobile service page or cellular service page, scroll down, tap reset statistics. Now, once you tap reset statistics, that says, do you want to reset your usage statistics? Once you click on that, this is going to reset your iPhone data usage statistics here. However, if you don't want to reset usage statistics for particular application on your iPhone, you can just come here and then turn off the data whose statistics you do not want to refresh or clear. You see that? Now, once you've unselected them, come down, tap reset statistics, and then click on reset statistics. Then you should see the mobile service or cellular services statistics reset. Then once you scroll down again, then other mobile data, you should see all your statistics are now 0, including current period and all other applications on your iPhone. So these are the steps you need to take to reset data on iPhone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.